back to MedGalore Aesthetics and Wellness Clinic's YouTube channel. I am your host, LaTondra Barker, Physician Associate. Today we're addressing a common struggle many of us face, meal planning. But don't worry, we're here to help make it easy for you. Let's dive into some practical tips for simplifying meal planning and fitting it into your busy lifestyle. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos in this weight loss series to help with your weight goals. Meal planning is a key component of successful weight loss and healthy eating habits. By preparing meals in advance, you can save money, time, and stress throughout the week. Let's explore some strategies to make meal planning a breeze. First, prioritize quick and easy recipes that require minimal prep time. Look for recipes that can be made in one pot or one pan, such as stir fries, sheet pan dinners, or slow cooker meals. These dishes are not only convenient, but also help streamline your cooking process. Focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your meals, including lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Experiment with different flavors and cuisines to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. And don't forget to include plenty of fiber-rich foods to help you feel full and satisfied. When it comes to grocery shopping, create a shopping list based on your meal plan to avoid impulse purchases and ensure you have everything you need for the week ahead. Consider shopping in bulk for staples like grains, beans, frozen fruits, and vegetables to save money and reduce waste. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. With these practical tips and strategies, you can simplify the process and make healthy eating a breeze. Together, we'll empower you to achieve your health and wellness goals. It's my pleasure. I'm LaTondra Barker, lead PA at MedGalore Aesthetics and Wellness. You can reach out with any questions. You can reach me at medgalorewellness.com. Thank you. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration from MedGalore Aesthetics and Wellness Clinic. Please help our channel grow. Please like, comment, and subscribe.